Check this baby out, guys. It's Greg at Vanguard Motor Sales, and man, I got a cool one for you today. 1965 GTO. Now this is the real color right here. The paint coat is BB on this car, and this is blue charcoal poly, and it is looking sweet. There's a 389 under the hood. There's a tri-power sitting on top of that. The car is absolutely beautiful. Unique too, man. I tell you what, you don't see very many of these babies painted this color. Most of them are red or black. I tell you, I love this color. And check out the stance on this baby. She looks like she's ready to go to the racetrack with those Cragars on there, looking sweet. All the reflections in the paint are looking sweet. Love that red pinstripe going down the side also. And check out this interior. Black interior, bucket seats, center console, 4-speed. Looks like an original style wheel in there also. The dash itself is in beautiful shape. All the chrome's looking sweet in there. Everything about this car is ready to go. Take this baby to any car show, be the hit of the show. She is a beauty. That back seat's looking sweet. Headliner's looking good. The dome light's working. All the chrome inside here is looking sweet. Look at that steering wheel. I love these old style steering wheels, those skinny steering wheels. Them 3 spokes are nicely chromed. Look at these door lips here. Look at the rubber, the door panel. Beautiful. You look down that quarter panel, you see all the reflections looking sweet. I love the color of this car. Now back here, all this trim looks to be original. That tells me that the car was in beautiful shape since day one. I mean, this baby's just 3 years short of being as old as me. Man, this thing is nice. Look in the trunk. Always look under the mat. Underneath the mat here is looking good, all painted up good. Make sure you look at the back sides of the quarters, look at the wheel wells. Look down in these areas here. See how nice and neat all this has been finished off and painted. You see the bottom side of the deck lid. Now on these GTOs, you always want to check this bottom lip on the deck lids. Check these lips. Anybody that spends that much time doing finish on the bottom side of the deck lid, you know they did a good job on the whole car. Now look down that passenger side. She is a beauty. Now here at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment. That means we own this GTO, so you know we did our homework and checked it out before we brought it home. And the first thing we did when we got her here as we get it up on the lift and we get it inspected so we can answer every one of your questions when you call Tom at 248-974-9513. And while we've got it on the lift, we take pictures, do videos, so you know exactly what you got coming to your house. Now, right now you're checking us out on YouTube. You can also check us out on our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. So make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that little bell button if you want to see more cool videos just like this one. Let's take this GTO for a ride. I tell you what, this is one beautiful GTO, top, bottom, inside and out. Sounds amazing, 389 under the hood, 4-speed, tri-power, beautiful paint. I tell you what, this is a real unique car right here, guys. And at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can park this dream in your driveway no matter where you live. just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you all about this car. Also, if you want help with financing, no problem there. We have several bankers we work with on financing. We can hook you up. The insurance also. Got to use that old car insurance. A lot better than your local guys. They take very good care of you. If you want to check this car out in person, we'd love to have you. Come on by. If you need to fly in, we're close to the airport. A lot of people fly in the morning and fly right back out in the afternoon. She's driving awesome. Brakes feel good. Steering feels good. Shifter feels good. Sounds amazing. Now, we're gonna do something here nobody else does to all their cars in inventory. We're gonna put this baby up in the air so you can see everything. You can see down here on the dash, everything's looking good on the dash. Beautiful. We got the auxiliary gauges down here. Everything you need, guys. So we're headed back to the shop now where we're gonna put this baby in the air. We're gonna show you exactly what the bottom side looks like, under the hood, the whole 9 yards. Now we do have 2 locations here in Detroit. One is our storage facility and one is our main facility right here. They're only about a mile apart. So stick with us, we're going in the air with it right now. All right, we're underneath this GTO, and man, she's pretty under here. You can see the tank has got a beautiful paint job. We got stainless exhaust. It looks like it's mostly polished. We got a 323 gear in this 10 bolt, and it is limited slip, so that is Posi, guys. The shocks look fairly new, and then on the brakes, they are drum. Our guys here will take them apart, make sure they're installed correctly. You can see the MagnaFlow mufflers, and by the way, the exhaust is 3-inch. Look at these floorboards too. The floorboards are looking sweet. They're all painted up, looking good. We got good looking brand new fuel line going front to back. Looks like the brake line's there also. It's new. We got an X pipe in here. We got the Numbers Matching 4-speed Muncie transmission. We got a stock appearing bell housing. We got stock clutch linkage, a stock appearing starter. We got jet coated headers here. We do have drum brakes up front. Looks like brand new flex lines here. And again, the guys will pull those all apart, make sure they're in good working order. The guys check out all the suspension, all the steering gear. Front frame horns look like they're nice and straight on the car. Front bumper definitely looks like it's a re-chromed unit, looking good. We got brand new tires here, brand new wheels. And let's see, 2 15/65 15s on the tires, and they're BFGs. You can see that the rocker molding here looks like it's all polished up, looking good. Always look at the pinch weld on any car you buy. Look how nice and tight that is. Moisture would get in here and spread that weld apart. That is beautiful. And the backside is nice and smooth. Out back, we've got 2 45/60 15s back here. Again, brand new, and the wheels look like they're also brand new. You want to feel this lip too? All I feel is in where that inner wheelhouse comes around, and make sure you be careful where them screws are, because the ends of them screws are sharp. You know how I know that? Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we have a date code correct 389. It's had a tri-power installed on it. Everything under here is looking nice and neat. Love that tri-power. We do have power brakes over there. We do have power steering. We've got nice paint on the motor. Talked about the headers earlier. The firewall's nice and clean. The inner wheelhouses are nice and clean. I see brand new alignment shims in here, so it's had a recent alignment. It does have a stock appearing distributor in it. It looks like it's got new fiberglass on the bottom side of the hood. The rest of the bottom side of the hood's all painted with chassis black, looking good. You guys that know GTOs, this nose here is normally really ugly. Somebody spent some time clean this baby up and put a nice coat of paint on it. It does have an aftermarket radiator in it. It does have a brand new battery. You can see we put the shutoffs on the batteries. We suggest that you shut off all your batteries when you're not using the car. I mean, everything under the hood here looks sweet. It's a beautiful color, it's got beautiful interior, and driving it is a blast, guys. Give us a call, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.